Good day, folks. Cooking with CanCooker. I'm your host, Seth McGinn. Today, making one of my all-time favorites, CanCooker spare ribs. Let's get started. One of my favorites. We're gonna do CanCooker spare ribs. Today, we're using the Junior and the multi-fuel. Turn it on, medium to low heat. Add about a rack of spare ribs, cut into about 3-inch pieces. We'll just throw them in. Then we'll add 1/4 cup red wine, 3/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar. It does make a difference. Adds a little tangy flair. 3/4 cup sugar. We're gonna add just a little bit now. We'll put it all in. What that does is caramelizes it and gonna turn all this into a sticky, tangy barbecue sauce that is unbelievable. Put the lid on for about 20 minutes. Then we'll remove the lid, allow that steam to come out. What that's gonna do is allow that sugar to caramelize and make a great glaze. So we'll put the lid on, let it steam for about 20 minutes, then we'll take the lid off, stir it up, serve it up. All right, it's been steaming for about 20 minutes. We'll remove the lid, allow that steam to escape, and that will caramelize now. So this will take about every 5 minutes. Make sure you stir them, and that will allow that sauce to caramelize and turn into our barbecue sauce. It's good. 20 minutes to start, 20 minutes afterwards as you constantly stir it while it reduces and caramelizes. And with the ceramic coating, non-stick, cleanup's a breeze. Let's check one of these out. Sneak peek. We'll reduce the heat. All right, now they're done. Check this out. The sauces are all caramelized. Look at that. For this and more great recipes, make sure you check out CanCooker.com.